Break out the board shorts and sunblock. We're playing Hawaii.
Yes, here we go.
A small-sided game is a scrimmage with a twist. In this one, we're helping players work on shooting from a distance and transitioning between attacking and defending. Use cones to create a square space, then place goals or pairs of cones about 5 yards back from your grid, 2 goals on each end. Divide your players into 2 teams, 1 in pennies. You can play 3v3, 4v4, or 5v5. Here, we're playing 3v3. Here's how it looks. Players scrimmage without goalies. Players can score on either goal on their end line, but they have to shoot from inside the grid. The idea is for players to hone their shooting accuracy in the midst of a chaotic, fast-moving game. Don't worry about throw-ins or kick-ins. Just keep a bunch of balls next to you, coach, and keep feeding them in. We want players looking up to find the nearest goal as soon as they receive the ball, then seeing if they can take a shot right away. But they'd better move fast because a smaller space makes the defender's job a lot easier. Expect plenty of turnovers, with players transitioning frequently between attacking and defending. Just add that to the why this game is great pile. Coaches, embrace the chaos and fun in this game and consider resisting the urge to correct your players or give immediate feedback. Sometimes the best coaching is observing. Remember, look for the goal, win the ball, take the shot. If you close your eyes, you can almost smell the ocean breeze.